My name is Matt Huddlestone. I work for the Woodland Trust. My role is the Senior Outreach Manager, and we're here today at Cultraw looking at a woodland restoration project. The Woodland Trust has been collaborating with the Ulster Folk Museum for over 3 years on this project. It's great to have a partner who wants to restore this woodland back to its former glory. Long established woodland is really special. These trees are carbon stores, and in Northern Ireland they are incredibly rare, with just over 0.04% of ancient woodland remaining. These trees have witnessed much of our history and make up our native natural heritage, so it's really fitting the museum wants to restore them here at Cultraw. Without this restoration, eventually this woodland would slowly die as the invasive species would take hold. We have to remove non-native plants so that the light can reach the forest floor, allowing native plants such as bluebells to regenerate.
I'm Owen Sayers from MGS Landscaping, and we do all sorts of private landscaping as well as public sector landscaping and woodland creation and management. We've been clearing all the laurel and then putting it through the chipper, and then it all goes off to biomass. It's a very interesting project because there's a massive visual change when you do something like this. Because the laurel was so dense and it's such a big site, when you walk away at the end, you've noticed a real difference that you've made. We also found that the walkway that was built here in the 1970s that had been overgrown, which led you along the side of streams and so on, and there were steps down through the whole of the woodland, which makes a really nice trail right throughout the whole acreage of the ground. You can see all these things within the site, and it is a beautiful site. It has got some fantastic walks through it.
That was really cool.
Oh, you're not even halfway yet. The visibility through the site would be a major change that I've noticed. You can now, from the main drive, you can see actually buildings that haven't been maybe seen in 40 years, 50 years. We shouldn't have let the laurel take over, because that would have eventually signalled a finality to this woodland within time. Not in our lifetime, maybe not for another 100 years or so, but it would have signalled an end because the laurel was so dense in here. Nothing else was growing below the laurel. Hopefully the regeneration of the trees themselves will come, and if we hadn't have taken that out, none of that would happen. You would have an end life to the woodland.